How to fix please close other Riot Games products before signing out in Valorant. Two methods to this. What you want to do is find Riot Client, right click, Properties, and open file location. Once here, click UX, find Riot Client UX, and simply run it. And from here, click on the top right and signed out of your account. Now this was method 1. The other method is done by pressing the Windows key and the R key. And this should open up. And what you want to do is type in percentage local app data percent, and here find Riot Games and delete everything related to Valorant. Delete Riot Client and Valorant. And once you've done that, you should be able to close Valorant without it telling you that you need to sign out of all other games or products.